Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make a hard reset for the headphones Skullcandy Rail. To make a hard reset, remove your headphones from the charging case, and after that, when you hear power on, you can press and hold both on a button on your headphones and until you can hear that let it start flashing. Sometimes it doesn't work, so you should make it again. Make sure that you are pressing both of your earbuds. Oh, and you can see this LED light, so it means that we make a hard reset. Now, put your headphones to the charging case, press on information button or settings button if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. After that, remove your headphones from the charging case, and it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, press on both of buttons for at least 3 seconds. Now we can hear it, see it, so click on it to pair, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!